Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Faisal sir here. Now we are going to discuss the topic ogive curve. See the question. Here the problem is draw more than type ogive curve for the given data. They have given class interval and frequency. Step number 1. Which type of curve they are asking us to solve? More than type. Be careful, we are solving for more than type. How to solve? More than. What is the opposite of more? Less. Less means lower limit. What is the less means? Lower limit, correct? So lower limit means we have to take less values, that is means more than, right? Lower limit. So what is lower limit here? 5. So here we should use the word more than 5. I said you in the previous problem, for less than we take more value, bigger number. For more than we take smaller number, means more than 5. Got it? More than 5. Next, more than 10, more than 15, more than 20, more than 25, more than 30, more than 35. Most of you like dot 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 dash you will write, right? Please don't do that. You have to fill that entire column. If they have given directly these values like this only, no problem, you can take directly. That is more than. You have to write this word more than. Okay, more than, and here also more than. So this is our x-axis. Okay, next you write frequency. What are the frequencies values are? 2, 12, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3. These are our frequencies. Now we have to find cumulative frequency. As I said you in the previous case, what we should do? Okay, see children, what we have to do is, for more than type graph we have to take bottom value. We should take bottom number, that is 3. If you want, you can write somewhere here as 3, like this. 3 plus 4 add 4, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10, right here 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, next 14 plus 2 is 16, 16 plus 12 is 28, 28 plus 2 is 30, right? 30. Add all f, it will be 30 itself. So make sure that this answer and the value of n equals 30, this answer should remain same. This both should be equal, then our answer is correct. So this is the table what we have drawn. So do remember, this is our x-axis, these values are x-axis, and these values are all of y-axis. These are our values of y-axis. Done. Now let me plot the graph. Very simple and very easy. See children. Now what we do here, we have taken the graph sheet. Okay, just a minute. We take one graph sheet. Okay, these all values, see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, till 35 we have. So approximate we can take till 50. Here also we can take same as it is. Okay, see you. So first what we do, we select the numbers like this, just draw one straight line. So this is my number 50, this is my y-axis. See here, 3, 7, these are nothing but 3, 7, 10, 14, these are coming under, these values are coming under 5, no? That's the reason. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and this is 0. And now this is our x-axis. These all values are of x-axis, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. These all values, this side, these all values represent which limit? For more than means lower limit. Be careful, we have to write lower limit, and these all are cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Now plot the values. Shall we plot the values? Yes. See children, what is x-axis? 5. 5 means it comes here, because this is 0, this is 5, and this is 10. it means 5 comes here. And what is the highest value? 30. From 5 we have to plot to 30. Just keep a point. This is first 10, 28, 10, next 28, somewhere it comes here, right? Next 15, 16, 15 is here, and 16, 16, 16, 16, yes, it's here, 16. Okay, next 20, 14, this is 20 and this is 14, somewhere just down of this line. Okay, 20, 14, 25, 10, this is 25 and this is 10, 25, 10, 37, this is 30 and this is 5 and just 2 digits top, that is 7, 35, 3, so this is 35 and just 3, it's here. We cannot see, but still just approximate, you have to plot it. See, what is the first number? 5 to 30, right? This is 5 and this is 30. This is my first digit, right? So what you have to do, just draw a line, freehand drawing. Turn the page. Next, join from here to here. Then again join this, again join this, then again join this, again join this. So our graph has plotted from top to bottom. Now you should not forget to write scale. Scale, x-axis 0 to 10. If you are written 5, you can write 0 to 5, that is 1 unit. Okay, so but here 0 to 10, how many centimeters? From here to here is 1 and here to here is 1, that is 2 centimeters. It's nothing but 2 centimeters. So we write x, this all are called as units, these all values are units. So 0 to 10 is 10 units. So we can say 10 units is equals to 2 centimeters. And then y-axis 10 units is equals to 2 centimeters. Got it? So x-axis 10 units equals 2 centimeter and y-axis 10 units is equals to 2 centimeters. Now we usually stop till here. No, we should not stop because we have to find the median. We have not yet find the median. To find median, first you have to do n by 2. What is n? 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is 15. So what you should do, observe here, 15. N by 2 is 15. So where is 15 here? Y-axis, this is 15. From 15, what you should do, you have to draw the dotted lines. What we should do? We have to draw the dotted lines till where? Till when it touches this graph. Till when it touches this graph, this line, this curve. Once if it touches this curve, what you should do, from here it comes approximate, children, don't worry. Okay, just draw one dotted line. Where it comes, this is 15, 16, 17, 18, somewhere it's coming at near 18. So median is equals to 18. Okay, but when you solve by using formula, okay, maybe you may get 17.5, 17.6, okay, somewhere 18.5 maybe, but okay, between you should not get major difference. You should not get major difference. Okay, 17, 18, 19, no issue. Between that, if you get any number, no problem. But according to this, median equals 18 we are getting. Understood? So you have to find the median. Just from n by 2 value, you just draw the line. Once if it touch the curve, stop it. From here again take down and do it. If you want exact answer, if you have got sufficient time, then do one thing. Before you draw this line, okay, by using formula you solve median. Whatever the answer you get, just try to plot that value till there and try to extend this value and show that this is our final answer. Okay, but anyhow, wish you all the best of luck. We have done the sum based on less than type and more than type, and also I like to tell you people from your exercise, okay, last 3 questions are there. I want you have to try for all the 3 questions because all the 3 questions are very important. On those 3 types also, better you solve both methods, less than type as well as more than type. In both the methods you solve all the 3 problems and practice and keep. So definitely you can expect one question out of this less than type curve or more than type ogive curve. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you all the best of luck, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel Evershine Coaching Groups. And if you have liked this video, please try to comment it. How did you like the video and how much it was useful to you all? Okay, and share this video to your all friends. So hope so even they also can utilize this opportunity to learn in a shortcut manner. Thank you. Wish you all the best of luck. Bye.